Yesterday, we dropped a deep dive on Nvidia talking about the bigger time frame and where I think this thing is headed in the next 6 to 12 months. And so far, our analysis on Nvidia and our outlook for the past couple of months has been damn near spot on. And as of recent, we have been expecting Nvidia to have a relief rally, bouncing most likely to $120, best case maybe $130 before a potential rejection. Now, if you want to follow along with these charts and get access to these indicators, as well as my exact entry and exit requirements for my strategy, go ahead and check out our free courses. The link to the libraries in the description, and the class that will show you all of our indicators is the Elite Traders Playbook. Now, the reason that we've been short-term bullish on Nvidia, and I will say I don't have a trade open on this, and I haven't touched this in nearly 4 months. That being said, when the BX trender begins making higher lows from a lower low or dark red stance in a sell-off, this is normally a sign that a short-term price bounce is going to occur. We saw this happen back here on February 4th until February 21st. Then, normally, once we stop making bright green and we start making dark green, this is an indication that buying pressure is getting pulled out. And normally where we want to either close our long position, but if we're in bearish structure such as you see here, normally where we would want to short. Now, in the past couple of days, we have seen the BX trender make higher lows. And today, which is a very good sign, the BX trender actually made higher highs and has closed with bright green. This is a very good sign, as you can see in the example before, that this is normally going to be the indication that price is going to break out. Now, once again, how high can we really go here? In my opinion, a 120 would be worst case, best case maybe $130. And from that point, what we would want to see is that the weekly BX trender stop making lower lows like it has been since February 17th and finally confirm a higher low. If that were to occur, then there would be a very high chance, about 70%, that we could push our way another 20% back up to $137 to $140 before another potential rejection. But obviously, if that happens, we would have to monitor the situation from that point. The main reason that I don't think we're going to just bounce and break out into all-time highs, much like we've been doing for the past 6 to 12 months, is because of the monthly chart. I mean, the monthly BX you can see is showing dark red. It has for the past 3 months, and nearly every single other time that we've been showing red over the past decade, Nvidia normally wants to continue to sell off or best case compress sideways, which for me personally is not an environment where I'm looking to tie my capital in. With that said, we'll see how Nvidia ends up closing this week. And I'll make sure to do an update video when that weekly candle closes sometime this weekend. Go check out all the rest of our free courses if you want to learn exactly how I trade. And if you've been trading for more than 1 year or have taken all of those classes and you do want to get access to all of my real-time trade alerts, all of our trading bots, and live stream with me each and every single week, then go check out our Discord community down below. The reason that I say 1 year is that I need you to have a realistic expectation on the market. As you can see, we're up nearly $4.3 million in the past 2 years, but we only have a 62% win rate. And I mean, today alone, we ended up losing $65,000. But at the end of the day, we have a system, and the system is set around proper risk management, proper position sizing, and treating this like a business. If you want to go check it out, you use the link in the description and use the code BX50 to start for 50% off your first month. Thanks for all the support. I'll see you guys tomorrow.